Okay, plot the points A, B, and C here. So A is 3, 1. So to plot that point, of course, remember the first value tells you when you go across. You go across 3, up 1. So we end up here. Okay, so that will be point A. So make sure you label it then with the letter A. It's important you label it. B then is minus 3, 2. So the first value tells you how many you go across. So you go across to minus 3. Okay, and then 2. So we go up to 2. So that's going to cross to minus 3 and up to 2 there. Okay, and label it B. And then the third point then, C, minus 2, minus 1. So C then, well, you go across to minus 2. Okay, and then minus 1 then, obviously you've got to go down then to minus 1. So we end up here. Okay, so there's my point C. All right. Part B then, it says the coordinates of each of the points 1, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 5 satisfy a rule. The coordinates of the point x, y satisfy the same rule. Write down the rule that connects x and y. Okay, kind of complicated looking question, but actually it's quite straightforward when you start to see the pattern here. Okay, so if you look at these coordinates here, you've got x value is 1, y is 3, x value is 2, y is 4, and then x value is 3, y is 5. Compare them, right? Compare the y values with the x values. So notice the y values are a bit more than the x values, aren't they? They're always a bit more. And in fact, they're the fixed amount more, aren't they? Okay, so whatever x is, if you think about it, okay, whatever the value of x is here, y is always 2 more. Does that make sense? So, you know, because x is 1 here, well, y is going to be 2 more. So if you add 2 onto that, you get 3, don't you? And it's the same here. X is 2. If you add 2 onto it, you get 4. And the same there. X is 3. Add 2 onto it, you get 5. So to get the y value, you just need to add 2 onto whatever the x value is. So suppose we take then the general point, it's talking about here, the point x, y. You know, what rule would be connecting here, x and y? Well, if you've got the x value, right, to get the y value, if you think about it, you've just got to add 2, haven't you, onto the x value. So actually, x value will be, sorry, the y value will be x plus 2, won't it? So in terms of writing the rule down, well, to get y, you just got to add 2 onto the x value, haven't you? Just like we did here. To get the y value, we've got to add 2 onto the x value. So we can clearly say then that y, basically to get y, we just do whatever x is and add 2 to it. So that's our rule here, connecting x and y. We can say y is basically equal to x add 2.